In this video, we will be discussing the Hermann Grid optical illusion. This presentation and video was done by members of Group C, which consists of Jia Chiyu, Mariah Rodney, Imani Mustafa, Fatima Rock, and Nayan Maharaj. So, the Hermann Grid is a visual illusion where faint gray or colored spots appear at intersections of a square grid. The spots disappear when viewed directly and are only visible in the peripheral vision. It was named after the German physiologist Ludwig Hermann, who discovered this phenomenon in 1870 while observing the cover of a physics book. An example of this illusion is seen on high contrast grids with black and white colors. So how does this illusion work? It is caused by lateral inhibition of the retina, where the light detecting cells suppress neighboring cells to enhance the contrast. At the intersections, where the lines on the grid meet, there is more surrounding light, and the brain then perceives a slightly darker spot. It is only visible in the peripheral vision and disappears when you look directly at it. So the effects and variations of this optical illusion is that it creates ghost spots that are not physically there. It can also be enhanced with neon or complementary colors on a dark background. Neon visions can appear to vibrate or flicker, which also adds a modern twist. This shows how our brain interprets contrast and not just raw light. So some fun facts of this illusion is that it demonstrates how visual perception can be tricked, and it also highlights how our eyes and brain processes contrast and edges. It is a simple yet classic example of how perception differs from reality. This optical illusion is also used widely in art, design, and interactive demonstrations. Here we can see an image of the Hermann Grid optical illusion. If we focus on one of the white dots at the intersections of the lines, we can see or notice in our periphery that the surrounding dots appear to be darker in coloration. However, when focusing directly on that spot, the dot is white. A cool trick that we can do is allow our eyes to wander around the various intersections, and as we do this, we can also notice that the dark spots appear to wander along the grid. So thank you for tuning into this video, and that's all for now.